From the invention of the first safety razor more than 100 years ago, Gillette has consistently set the standard with grooming products that men value. Inspired by a deep understanding of men, the Gillette products use innovative technology to deliver outstanding quality and performance. For generations, Gillette has earned the trust of men to help them look, feel, and be their best every day. Shaving may look easy, but it is in fact a surprisingly complicated process. Take a closer look, and the challenge becomes clear. At high magnification, you can see how tough hairs, as strong as copper wire, are rooted in soft, jelly-like skin. For an optimal shave, the razor has to closely cut these hard hairs whilst avoiding damage to the delicate skin surface. To meet this challenge, you need a state-of-the-art razor. At Gillette's UK research facility, diverse teams of scientists, engineers and technologists come together to study the science of shaving. It's the foundation for development of all new razors and shaving products. And it all starts with an understanding of men. The Gillette team studies men's shaving needs, habits and skin in exhaustive detail. Every day, up to 80 men shave at the Reading site. The daily test shavers try out new prototypes, product ideas and innovations. They're filmed, interviewed and asked to record their experiences on a face map and in a detailed questionnaire. Every piece of personal feedback and data is collated and scientifically analysed to ensure the next Gillette razor will delight millions of men across the world. Gillette scientists also use instrumental methods to study the impact of shaving on men's skin. Advanced microscopic imaging techniques allow Gillette to study the cutting process in extreme detail. Achieving maximum closeness and comfort is all about the interaction of blades with hair and skin. High-speed filming techniques clearly show the benefits of multiple blades and how they use the flexibility of the hair in the follicle. The first blade not only cuts the hair, it lifts it out of the skin. The next correctly placed blade can then cut the hair further down the shaft to progressively cut closer. Shaving insights and scientific findings lead to new product concepts. After initial ideas are sketched, a computer model is generated which allows every element to be studied in detail. An insight that led to Fusion's breakthrough comfort was that optimal spacing between the blades is essential. With the right distance, skin bulges less between the blades, which means less drag and significantly more comfort versus Mach 3. These changes took decades of unique engineering and manufacturing innovations. Gillette had to invent a way to weld narrow blades onto blade supports almost as thin as a beard hair. Blade edges are now so sharp that advanced electron microscopy is needed for Gillette scientists to study them. The ultra-thin steel is reinforced with a diamond-like carbon coating to withstand the forces of cutting beard hair, and an anti-friction layer is added to increase glide. Gillette scientists and engineers have many creative ideas that must be prototyped and tested before they can ever be launched. Sophisticated, rapid prototyping equipment can quickly transform computer designs into three-dimensional models, using laser light to convert liquid resin layer by layer. This technology very quickly gives engineers a 3D version of their design, which they can then develop or refine. Ultra-high precision manufacturing equipment is used to build razor prototypes for large-scale shave testing. Naturally, quality assurance is paramount. Every single cartridge is thoroughly inspected at the end of the prototype manufacturing process to ensure it has the perfect, ultra-precise geometry for an optimal shave. Razor prototypes are assessed by men in shave tests all over the world. During development, fusion was tested by over 10,000 men. The fusion and fusion power technologies include many patented features. New product developments are always assessed on whether they provide a better shave than razors currently on the market. Gillette will only ever launch a new razor when these improvements are significant and truly meaningful to men.